Welcome to the sensitivity analysis full course in Excel. This is Mohammed speaking. In this video, we'll see how to use the goal seeker feature in Excel in order to calculate a particular scenario in a business. So let's say you have a business and launched a new product with a price per unit of $50, cost per unit 30, and the fixed cost for launching that product was $100,000, and you have an annual sale of 10,000 units. Before jumping into how to use the goal seek feature, we need to first calculate the revenue, cost, and profit first. So we'll quickly calculate them. The revenue will be the price per unit multiplied by the units sold. The cost will be the cost per unit multiplied by units sold added by the fixed cost, and the profit will be total revenue minus the total cost. So we can see that our total profit is $100,000, but let's say you want to have a total profit of $500,000 annually, and in order to do so, how many units need to be sold? You can calculate this manually, but there is a more efficient way in Excel to calculate this, and in order to do this, we need to use the goal seek feature. So to do the goal seek, we need to first go to the data tab and click the what if analysis and click goal seek. This will appear the goal seek window, and we will see the three different boxes, each demanding sales and values. The set cell, we will set the profit cell with the formula, and we want to have a $500,000 of profit. That's why we'll give 500,000 to the value cell, and by changing cell, we'll give here the units sold, since it will be changed in order to have the $500,000 profit mark, and click OK. This will automatically calculate the units per sold needed to have a $500,000 profit. We can see that we need to sell at least 30,000 units to have a $500,000 of profit. So this is how you use the goal seek feature in order to calculate a particular business scenario. In the next video, we'll see how to use the scenario manager in order to calculate the best, worst, and average cases of a business. See you in the next video. So before watching the next video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.